Welcome to the CM Bridge out of the box getting started tutorial. Bridge has been installed because it's part of the server install that comes automatically with Dimensions 14.1. We have accessed our web client and we can see here the standard Clarius product within the CM typical base database, and we're going to access CM Bridge. To do this, we can simply go to the same URL. However, we just change the servlet name to hold the name of the bridge servlet, which is CM Bridge. So this all runs under the same Tomcat server installation. At this point, I'm asked for a Dimensions username and password. In this case, I'm going to use DMSys, and straight away we're into CM Bridge. Now at this point, if you do hit a 404 error message, it is worth just doing a quick bit of debugging. However, the first thing to do would be just to check that Tomcat is running if you were to hit a problem. So to do that, I just simply remove any servlet name and just make sure I can get through to CM Tools. If I know that Tomcat is running, then it's possible that there's problems to do with the servlet configuration. So to do this, I just go to C Program Data, Serena, Bridge, and Conf, and here you can see there's an installer.conf properties file, which I can just take a look at and make sure that these settings look correct. In addition to that, within the Bridge directory we have a logs directory as well. It might be worth collecting those logs up and sending them to support for further inspection if you think that the properties file looks okay. It would also be worth sending the content of or the install.properties file as well for support to take a look at. Now imagine that you can get through to CM Bridge. The initial view shows any products that are available. In this case, because we're running out of the box, it's just the Clarius product, and within here we can see all the available projects and streams that are within that Clarius database. And within there we can go into a project or a stream. So I'm going to go into the mainline VS project, and this shows the directories available within that project. So I can go into Clarius Underwriter, and you can see here that as I drill down through the projects and their directories, we can see that in fact the URL is reflecting these changes. So if I wanted now to access that view straight away, I could actually copy and paste that view and just access it straight away as a URL if I wanted to. And within here I can see the actual files, and I can drill down even further. If I want to, I could just click on a file and show that item content within my browser. So as we can see here, the initial view into CM Bridge is quite powerful in that it gives us a very good overview from more than one screen of all the projects that are available. So this is our initial introduction to CM Bridge. In the next video we'll take a look at how we can access CM Bridge from a Subversion client. Thank you for watching.